everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a layout for the scrap room, playing with the flavors of the month kit today and the lovely sketch. You can find it on the blog or on the Facebook group in the challenges. Links will be down below. But we are playing with Photoplay-Sugar, Plum, Christmas. Sugar, Plum, Christmas. There's a very pretty plaid paper in here. Tartan. You can see it there peeking out on the left. I love it. And as soon as I saw this sketch and I saw that plaid, I was like, I'm cutting that up. That is what I'm doing. So I am matting my photo. Oh, that's right. I forgot. I made this a while ago between, and there's just been a lot going on. December sucks. I love Christmas, but December sucks for memories, so I forgot I did this one. Last picture of my son with my mom. Cool. All right, we're going to not think about that. We're not going to talk about the photo. We're just going to talk about the process. So I love the sketch. I do kind of mirror it just because my son is facing to the right. So I like to have my subjects on my page not face off the page, but face towards the middle of the page. So I'm going to flip it so the photo is going to be more on the left side than the right side. And I'm going to cut out large diamonds out of this pattern paper. Using the tartan plaid as a guide, and yeah, I'm doing that. So, and then I'm just going to use this beautiful cardstock. I'm going to tear, I don't remember why I decided to do this, but I'm going to cut off a little bit, and I'm going to tear the bottom of my white paper, or actually I'm just going to distress it, and I'm going to, with my scissors, because I cannot find my distress tool. And then I was so sad. I went to order one of the distress tools from MK Gun. I had it in my cart for like 3 weeks, and I dumbly waited until Black Friday, which I got a bunch of other things on sale when I did, or Small Business Saturday, I think. But then, of course, what was out of stock by the time that happened? The distress tools. So I still didn't get one. So I still don't have a distress tool. And I really don't like doing it with my scissors because my scissors is too aggressive. I haven't found a way to like gently do it. Either doesn't do it enough, or I do it too much and I tear the paper like completely. So these are all getting distressed barely because I have to use my scissors. But I just cut varying sizes of diamonds using the tartan pad as a guide, or tartan pattern as a guide. And I'm going to do some little diamonds across the page for this photo. And yeah, I added a little bottom thing, which was not in the sketch, but whatever. I'm shaking up some shimmers because I want to do a little color in the background, because the sketch kind of suggests that there is something behind the stars and the photo. They had 2 photos, I just have 1. So I want to add something. So I'm going to, and then I will actually ink up the edges. I will distress all the diamonds, and I will ink them up with, does it end up being evergreen bow? I feel like yes, because that like green is like the perfect teal for the dark teal in this collection. And I think I end up putting the diamonds back down in different places than when I started, but whatever. So I'm going to grab a few shimmers, and then also a few inks. Oh, I have Evergreen Bow and Speckled Egg there to do a little bit of packaging technique on the background as well. So I'm going to ink up those edges right now. And then I will use some spritz of Ocean... what is it? Ocean something. From Shimmers, and it's so pretty. Is it Ocean Mist? Ocean, I don't know, but it's my favorite, one of my favorite shimmers ever. And then and then I decided I should probably ink up around the edge of the page too. So I do that. And I am just gonna spritz, just literally spray. Oh yeah, this one too, which is Well Blue Me Darn, which is also a great color. And then this is the Ocean one. I can't remember. Ocean Vibes? Might be Ocean Vibes. It's just one of my favorites. It's such a pretty color. And look how perfect. It actually matches that dark teal in the collection perfectly. So I only use one piece of paper besides what I matted my photos in. So then, yeah, I'm going to do packaging technique, add some more color, just so I have all these different greens, teals in the background. And then I'm going to take old snowflake stamp. I believe this is a chili bean soup set of stamps, I believe. Possibly. Or it might be like an Echo Park. I don't like it's Simple Stories, but I've had it for a very, very, very long time. And there's like 3 or 4 different size snowflakes, and then there's like the word joy and stuff. You guys probably totally wouldn't recognize it, some of you that have been around for a while. But I'm going to stamp that around as well in the same color so they kind of blend in, because I just want this to emulate the winter aspect of all of this. So I'm just going to put them amongst the blobs. So they're not super obvious, but they're there. But yeah, this is, and then, yeah, glue everything down with wet glue because, yep. But yeah, I'm using the really big snowflake and then this smaller one. I don't think I use a medium one, just to add some snowflakes around so they're peeking out behind things. I do this very not methodically, which is funny because a lot of times I do a lot of my scrapbooking pretty methodically. This page, it was very, because I knew what I wanted to do, but I didn't know, like, it was like, ooh, I should do this, ooh, I should add this. It was adding things in. Yeah. And then do I end up splattering some silver color splash from shimmers as well? I think it's Silver Bells. I feel like yes, at the end, but I cannot remember at the moment. Yes, lots of liquid glue because of all that mixed media. Even though it's ink and it's soaking into the cardstock, I want to make sure. And see, and then so you don't have to be too scared when you make giant blobs of like super saturated color, because you can cover it up. And then you can't even tell that I did that. I'm trying to think of what else. But anyway, yeah. So, oh, yeah. And then I'm like, oh, that's right. I have a sticker sheet I can work with, too. I have no embellishments. I was trying to figure out a good title. So I really like this garland sticker sheet. So I'm going to add the garland to connect a few spots, just to add something else to the page. Connect a few of the diamonds together. And I put it here. I ended up moving it because of the title. I don't remember what I made the title right now. But I jump in my stash and look for these letters. Where are these from? I think they're from a Chamel collection. Maybe not. But they're a very bright pink, and they match the pink perfectly in this Photoplay collection. And hold on. Oh, yes. So I do the word giving because then I saw that there's a sticker that says Sweet Holiday Wishes on the sticker sheet. So the title is Giving Sweet Holiday Wishes, and that is essentially what my son's doing with my mom for the last time, while she was literally on her deathbed. So that was happening. But I'm glad I captured this moment, and I'm glad he wasn't scared to go talk to her. Yeah. So anyway, here's some close-ups. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like what I did with the sketch, and make sure you go check out all the things, the shop and all that, all linked down below. Okay, thanks. Bye.